Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML easily for beginners. First, understand that HTML is the foundational language for all web pages. It uses a system of tags to tell web browsers how to display content. Think of it as the skeleton of a website, providing structure for text, images, and other elements. Learning HTML is the essential first step for anyone interested in web development. To begin, you don't need complex software. A basic text editor like Notepad or VS Code is perfect. Open your chosen editor and start typing your HTML code. Remember to save your file with a HTML extension, for example, my first page, HTML. Then, simply double-click the saved file to open it in your web browser and see your creation come to life instantly. Focus on mastering core HTML elements that form the backbone of any web page. Start with H1 through H6 for headings and P for paragraphs to organize text. Incorporate img tags to display images and a tags to create links to other pages. As you progress, explore div for content division and semantic tags like header and footer for better structure. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your HTML knowledge. Challenge yourself to build various small projects, like a personal resume page or a simple blog layout. Once comfortable with HTML, expand your skills by learning CSS to add beautiful styling and JavaScript to introduce dynamic interactivity. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.